Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely open your laptop and avoid damage to sensitive components. First, power down your HP EliteBook 840G6 and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery if possible. This is crucial to prevent any electrical shorts while you work on the device. Next, using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws from the back panel of the laptop. Keep these screws organized, as you'll need them later. Once all screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious during this step to avoid damaging any clips. Once the panel is off, take a moment to clean any dust or debris from inside the laptop. A can of compressed air works wonders here. Avoid using a vacuum as it can create static electricity that might harm your components. Now, locate the KBC chip on the motherboard. This is often a small, square chip near the CPU. If you see any signs of damage or corrosion, this could be the source of your issues. Check the connections and ensure everything is seated properly. If you notice any loose connections, you might need to reflow the solder on the KBC chip. For this, you'll need a heat gun. Apply heat cautiously to avoid damaging surrounding components. If you're unsure how to proceed, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so feel free to reach out. After checking the KBC, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Place the back panel back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is snug but do not over-tighten as this can cause damage. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable doing these repairs, keep in mind that we offer pickup and delivery at your home. Our technicians can handle the diagnosis and repair for you. Plus, there's no calls or travel required, we make it easy for you. Finally, reconnect the battery and power up your laptop. Monitor its performance for any unusual behavior. If the problem persists, it may require more in-depth troubleshooting or even component replacement. Always remember to get a quote before repair to understand the costs involved. If you've successfully resolved the issue, congratulations! You've just learned how to troubleshoot KBC problems in your HP EliteBook 840G6. If you need further assistance, don't hesitate to contact us for support. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.